A man is not paid for having a head and hands, but for using them. Labor is not just a work, it's the worship of humanity. On this Labor Day, I pay my homage to all the working souls who are helping us beat COVID-19.
Gratitude is shifting your energy and to get more of what you want in your life. Today, I, Diya of grade 10th A, profoundly extend my warm salute to the real heroes of our nation, the actual, brave and willing soul who endanger their life for us. I salute to the policemen, the great men, for serving us day and night, be it be summer or winter, without even thinking of their families and loved ones. I salute to the medical staff, the doctors, nurses and frontline workers who have been trying to save all the patients by endangering their own life. I salute to the sanitation staff for cleaning our surroundings to protect us from this pandemic. I salute the government for making persistent efforts to protect us from this deadly virus. At last, I salute my teachers for providing us an ample of knowledge at home. A big salute to them all. Without them, we cannot do anything. In fact, we should be grateful to them. The reason we sleep in peace today is because of their sleepless night. Let's dedicate a day to our brave soul of the nation and show our gratitude towards them. Thank you.
Doctor is the only one who is always there for you when you count your breaths. They are the only one who teach you to never lose hope. And at this situation as well, they are making us feel safe. They are risking their own lives for our sake. Risk? Some of you would say, how, right? Even the stats say that some of the doctors have lost their lives fighting for us. They fight for us first, keeping their lives at a side. No doubt they work 24/7 just to make you feel secure and to make you feel safe. They rest a little and work out more. Then don't you think this should be appreciated and thanked? Think a little.
Cleaners and sweepers. Cleaners are the ones who visit all the houses to pick up all the garbage and keep the homes clean. They themselves remain it just to make us clean and safe. In this critical situation, when not even relatives are visiting and meeting us, they are paying the nation by the continuation of their duty. After doctors, they are the ones who are at high risk of getting infected by COVID-19. But still, they are at their works to make sure that we are safe. Don't you think they deserve a big thanks? Think once.
I profoundly extend a warm salute to the sanitation staff for their persistent efforts to protect us from such a deadly virus. If the sanitation workers don't work, nothing works. Thank you for working tirelessly at such a critical time. The reason we live in peace today is because of their energetic, enthusiastic and resolute efforts. You sanitize our area even at the time of such a pandemic without even thinking of your families and loved ones. A big salute to them all. In fact, we should be grateful to them all. Let's dedicate a day to the brave souls of our nation and show our gratitude towards them. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Police does not need any introduction. They were, are and will always be there to help us stay safe. Even now, they are risking their lives by paying their jobs on the roads. We are sitting at homes, but they are on the platform where COVID can attack them. They are working as the barriers between us and COVID. They don't care about their lives and are fighting for us. Still, if they don't get respect, then I don't know what will work. Don't you think so?
You, please stay home for us. Today, I would like to thank all the soldiers who are sacrificing their life for this world. Due to their sacrifices, we are safe and secure in our houses and are known as the man of courage.
Volunteers don't necessarily have time. They have the heart. You make a living by what you get. You make a life by what you give. A great support is forthcoming from the section of people who want to help. Our citizens and organizations desirous of volunteering their services for the fight against coronavirus nationwide have come out to feed the most vulnerable sections of the society along with the stray animals to save these God's creatures from starving, assisting the medical staff with the needed equipments and all kinds of physical and mental support.
I want to give a great salute to these brave, determined, the legends, the heroes of this nation. Jai Hind! We stay here for you. Please stay home for us.